Hello, Misan. Hello, Misan. Good evening. Hello, Misan. Good evening.
Hello, Teacher Ellen. Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Wow, very good, Misan. Okay, now, Misan, what's the weather today?
Oh my God, it's so hot.
Ah, I see. What did you do in the morning?
I get up and I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast and I go to school.
Wow, very good.
I read a
Okay, what
book
did you have? Huh?
and I read a
What?
book. Teacher, I have a
Uh-huh.
ticker too. I have a ticker.
Okay, can I see?
Yes. I con tàn. A
Very.
princess.
Wow, that is so nice. Okay, do you read that one?
I
Yes.
have a many ticker. I have kitty and princess.
Wow, that is amazing, Misan. Now, Miss Sam, look, are you ready to watch a video?
Yes, I ready, teacher.
Very good. Here it is, Misan.
I share my books.
What did he say?
I share my book.
Very good. Okay, do you have book?
I
Okay,
have
what do you
many.
do with your books?
Teacher, I have a here.
What's that, Misan?
Here come.
Oh, you have a comb. Nice. Okay, do you share your comb? Yes or no?
I have. I not have a friend now.
Oh,
I
your
so
friends
sad.
aren't there. Okay, do you share with your friends?
Yes,
Misan?
I share
Wow,
chicken.
very good. What about your books? Do you share books with your friends?
Yes, teacher, I have
Yes.
a classy. To classy.
You mean glasses like this?
Now I have a pig and doctor. Pig I
Wow,
and
great,
yeah,
Misan. Amazing. Oh, you look so cute. You have sunglasses. Oh, that's Peppa Pig, right? Very good.
her Peppa.
When, oh, listen,
Name
when do
its
you wear
name
your sunglasses?
his name her Peppa.
Wow, yes, that's Peppa. What color is your sunglasses?
It red.
Yes, it's red. You look pretty with your new pair of sunglasses, Misan. Now look at the boy, Misan. Okay,
Teacher
does he share his books?
red. He like
Yes, he
a friend
does.
girl.
Very
He
good.
like
Okay,
a friend boy too. He like a
that's
many
right.
of friends.
That's right, Misan. Okay, look at the books, Misan. Okay, how many books are there?
So many. I like a book too. I don't have a many.
Oh, but that's all right. The most important thing is we read our books. Now look,
I share my games.
wow, what are they doing?
They play a game. I have a game too.
Wow. Okay, so what game do you have, Misan?
I have cooking,
I'm sorry.
cooking.
I have
I have cooking.
I have game on the
I have a
you.
game on iPad.
ไปต่อเล่น
Oh, very good. You have a game in your iPad, right? Nice. Okay, do you share games to your friend? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher. I don't have my game in the TV. I have a game in the iPad.
Wow, that's nice, Misan. Okay, if your friend is in your house, do you share games to them? Yes or no?
Yes,
Very good. Okay, now look at the boys. What's behind the boys? It's a
it's a shoe. It is
so
sofa.
super
yes, it's a sofa. What color is the sofa, Misan?
ที่แบบนั้นเลย
น้อยนะกลัวหอย
It is?
It is blue. I like a blue
Nice.
too.
That's right. Now, how many pillows are there in the on the sofa?
Teacher, I see a truck. I see a sofa and and boy have many blue.
That's right, Misan. Wow. Okay, look at the boy who's wearing a blue sweater. What color is his hair? It
here
He have
is
a white too.
no
it's brown.
จริงนะปล่อยกระดาษ
It's
ที่ต้อง
brown. Oh, because you're wearing sunglasses. That's why. Okay, now Misan, how about your hair? What color is your hair?
It's black.
It's black. Nice. Okay, so here's your star. Now look.
Oh no.
I share my blocks.
Wow. What
I
are
see my
these, Misan? These are?
Play a box.
play the blocks
Play a block.
That's right. Do you have blocks? Yes or no?
I don't have a block. My boy it have blocks.
Wow. Do you play blocks with him?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Does he share his blocks to you, Misan?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. How many boys are playing blocks, Misan?
There are two boys.
That's right. Okay. Now, Misan, look, what color is this cupboard? It?
It's white.
It's
Oh
white.
no.
That's
Teacher,
right.
I
It's
see.
white.
Teacher, I see white too.
Oh, where is it?
I see a white block too
I see
Oh,
white too.
yes. Very good, Misan. So you have 1 star. Now look.
Oh no.
I share my toys.
I share my toy.
Yes, that's so nice of you, Misan. Look at the boy. What toy is he holding?
He is a car
he is
broom.
holding
That's right. He's
car.
holding a toy
Broom.
car. What color is the toy car?
It is red and white.
Very good. How about the girl? What
He
toy is it?
is a bear. He likes a
Nice.
bear.
That's right. She likes a bear.
Teacher,
Okay, now
I
look
see
at.
Teacher, I see a robot.
That's right. Okay, what is next to the robot? It's a
Ball.
it's a ball. What color is the ball?
It is white and red.
Very good. Now, Misan, I see another ball. Okay, look at the big
Teacher,
ball. What
I see
color?
I see a ball, big and small ball.
That's right. Okay, this ball is colorful. How about this, Misan? What is it? It's on
Color.
Color.
Color. Teacher, I
okay,
see
yes.
color. Here. I see a color have a ear. A ear is pink.
Yes, that's right. It is a koala. Do you like a koala?
That
Wow, very good, Misan. Here are your 5 stars.
no.
Okay, now look.
I share my computer.
What's that?
I share my computer.
Great, Misan. Do you have a computer?
That I have.
Wow. What do you do with your computer?
I don't have a computer. When you don't give me a computer.
That's all right because you have an iPad, right?
That
Okay. Your iPad is quite the same with the computer. Okay. So, Misan, who has a computer in your house? It
mm, Mommy.
who has a computer? It's
Mommy.
very good. Does she share her computer to you? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, very good. Because computers are not for playing games. That's for work. Okay, now look at the computer. What color is it, Misan?
Where teacher?
It? What color is the computer?
It's gray.
Red.
It is gray.
Gray.
Gray. Very good. Okay, one candy, Misan. Now look,
I share my crayons.
what's that? I share my.
I share my crayon.
Great.
I
Do you
have a
have
crayon
crayons?
too. That
Wow.
I
Okay, how many crayons do you have, Misan?
mm, I have 5.
Wow, what color are your crayons?
He is rainbow.
Oh, color of the rainbow. That's colorful. Okay, now look at the
Teacher.
boys.
Teacher.
Yes,
Do you like a rainbow?
of course, I love rainbow. Okay, I look
Teacher.
up the sky to
Teacher.
see the rainbow. Yes.
I go to my grandpa. I see a rainbow at a sky.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
right. Okay, how many colors are there in the rainbow, Misan?
It's red, indigo, yellow, blue, and orange, green, purple, rainbow.
Wow, yes. Okay, there are 7 colors. Okay, now look, Misan. What color is the table?
It's green.
Nice. Okay, now what about the chair? What color is it?
It's orange.
Nice. Now look at the boys. Are they at home or in the school?
They, they are,
They go to school.
they are in school.
They are in school.
Very good. So you have one happy star. Okay, now look, Misan.
Crayon. I share my cookies.
I share my cookie.
What's that?
He share my cookie.
Very good. Okay, what are these, Misan? These are
They are eat cookie. Yum yum
They
yum.
are,
Eat cookie.
they
Yummy.
are cookies.
They are
cookies.
cookie.
Yes. Do you like cookies?
Yes, I like cooking, and I can.
Wow. Very good. Do you give cookies to your friend?
Yes,
Wow. Okay, now look at the boys. Are they happy?
yes, she's happy.
They are,
That's
They are
right. They
happy.
are happy.
They
Okay,
are happy.
does it make you happy when you share cookies? Yes or no?
Yes, she is happy, and I share my donut and cookie.
Wow, you
Teacher,
love
I
donut
have a donut.
too. Yes, donuts. I love donuts. Okay,
She
what
like a
color of
pizza and
donuts?
teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, she like pizza and hamburger.
Of course, I love it. What about you?
I love, and I will eat pizza.
Wow. Do you like pineapple on a pizza? Yes or no?
No, I don't like apple.
No, pineapple. Pineapple. Do you like pineapple on a pizza?
No, I don't like it. Teacher,
Wow.
she like pizza.
Of course, but with lots of pineapple. Like
She
Hawaiian
like
pizza.
pizza, pizza, pineapple.
Yes, I love it. How about you? Yes or
Teacher,
no?
she like pizza have orange.
Of course not. No, no. How about you? Do you like a pizza with grape?
yeah. Huh?
Do you like a pizza with grapes? Yes or no? No, right? That's the same thing with the orange. Okay, you're so funny. You have one candy. Now look at this.
Teacher, she like
I don't.
What's that?
I
Okay,
don't
look
tell my
first.
mommy. I don't tell my
Wow,
mommy.
great. Okay, now look at mommy. What color is her apron?
She right.
She's,
That's
Teacher,
right. Yes.
she like pizza ramen.
What is that?
Pizza ramen.
What is Yemen? Oh, you mean ramen?
It's a
she's a lemon. Con nói to
He-
hơn.
It's a ramen. She like ramen, pizza, and sausage. She like it.
Oh, sausage. Yes, of course. I love
She
sausages
like
on a pizza.
She like a pizza, have ramen, and sausage. Have a pizza. She like it.
Of course. And I like
Ôi,
so many cheese on my pizza. Okay, how about
Yes,
you,
I like
Misan?
cheese.
Do you like spaghetti?
And I like spaghetti.
Wow. Do you like hamburger?
Yes, I like hamburger.
Wow. Do you share hamburger to your mom?
I don't have hamburger.
I mean, if you have a hamburger, do you share it with your mom? Yes or no?
No, I don't have a hamburger.
Oh, yes,
cô Phật
because you don't have. That's all right, Misan. Okay, now look, Misan, do you share your mommy to your friends? Yes or no?
Teacher, I have a candy. Yum yum yum. I
Of
have a bim
course.
bim.
Why? Snack không phải bim bim.
Yes,
I
I
have
have
a nut
candies.
and
Uh-huh.
I have candy and nut and
Ôi nghe cô hỏi sao thấy bài kìa.
And
Yemen.
oh, Yemen. That's nice, Misan. Okay, now Misan, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food
My
is
favorite food.
my favorite food is Yemen and pizza and rice and soup and ice cream.
Wow, that's a lot, Misan. Okay, now Misan, you did great. Let's count your rewards. Are you ready to count?
Then I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready,
Okay,
teacher.
I'm ready. So here it is. Let's start with 2 stars. 1, 2, 3,
One,
4.
two, three, four, and five.
Yes. Okay, so here, let's do it one more time. Let's start with 5 stars. 5, 6.
One, two, six,
Seven.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, you have 10 rewards. Nice, Misan. So give me high 10. Nice. Okay. Thank you so much for joining our session, Misan. I hope
And
you
goodbye,
learned
teacher. See
something.
you
Bye
again.
bye.